Today I'm going to be tie-dyeing a hoodie. I'm starting off with a plain white hoodie. Again, a nice cotton blend. The thing about hoodies is that it's pretty thick, so when you do the scrunch, you will end up with more white spots. We're going to go ahead and get this scrunched up. I'm starting off with my sweatshirt dry, and when you do that, oh my gosh, look at that. The colors are going to be more distinct. Interestingly enough, it seems to repel. Whoa. We're going to see what happens. This is going to be really interesting. I'm kind of excited. Okay. So as you could see, because it was scrunched, there's a lot of white space. Goodness. I don't have as much ink as I would like, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to water it down slightly just to get in some of the white spots. Alrighty, so here is my freestyle hoodie so far. I have mixed up some more dye, and I'm going to add some more on here. When working on a hoodie, it's important to think about if you want to dye the inside of the hood. I now have dye on the inside of the hood as well, so when it flips back behind me, it's dyed and blends in. Alrighty, my design is complete. I'm going to go ahead and stick this in a bag and let it sit 6 to 8 hours. After it sits 6 to 8 hours, go ahead and rinse it out till the water runs mostly clear, put it in the washing machine, and then the dryer. Alrighty, it has come out of the dryer. Ready for the big reveal? Here we go. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and check back for some more tie-dye videos.